Yo, what's going on, you guys? I wanted to show you how today I made $34.60 with the V-Bucks offer right here. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. So let me go here to YouTube. It's simple and it's something I've been looking at for a while as far as YouTube marketing. So if I type in free V-Bucks, what I noticed is I went to which video right here? I went to a video that had a lot of views on it. So one with like 1 million views. I'm trying to figure out exactly which one I went to, if I can find it. Let's see here. Free V-Bucks. Let me see. Free V-Bucks. Fortnite. I'll type this in like that. There it is. It's this one right here. Okay, so this video right here has 1.3 million views. One of the strategies that I saw on here, as I was looking through here, I saw whoever this person is, it's the same person on all of these different posts, but I'll show you it just, a simple comment on who else wants to know the mystery behind Fortnite V-Bucks. And then they had this website right here. So I figured I'm pretty sure that this is content locking. So I typed it in. Let me go up here and the X, and then back that up and then do the dot and then me. And I press enter and it brings me to this site. Now I'm looking at this site like this site is really well put together. And I'm thinking, okay, this has to be content locking. So I click claim now. Whoever put this together is dope. Then you just type in something random. They can, pick, Xbox, mobile, blah, blah, blah. Click continue. Click, how many V-Bucks they want. Click continue. They'll click this. And then it'll take them through this process right here, which is really cool. So I was like, well, let me try to do the same thing and see, if I can get, some money out of it. And I did. Okay, but I'll show you guys that in a minute. So this is what the process looks like, which you guys can see is really dope and well put together. People really know what they're doing as far as, the whole content locking game. So you'll click verify now. What I like about this is they gave you a time clock. I really want to know how to do this, guys. So once I figure that part out, I'll teach you guys. I like how they did that. I kind of got an idea how they did this. But I don't really know yet. You click verify now, and then it takes you to the offer page. Fill out an offer, you get paid. Okay, so that was one, and I believe, as you can see, another name. So what they're doing is creating fake YouTube accounts, and they're just promoting these, and then they're getting the likes. So one of the strategies that I'll tell you guys how to do that I figured out how to do. Another person is this right here. So all these probably are the same person, but they're all just kind of doing something different. Now, if you go to, let me see. Let me go to the newest comments first. So this right here is one of the fake pages that I created, guys. Okay, this is one of my fake pages, and then if you can see here, you can get you a fake, a short domain name, .tk name, and I'll show you how to do that. And then all of these pages here I created are fake, and you can do some like fake proof here. But then once you do it early, so let me just tell you guys what exactly you need to do. Just go subscribe to a lot of these big pages that do like gaming and things like that. Click the notification bell. And things like that. When they upload, you can go ahead and hurry up and comment. Now, there's a couple ways that you can do this, but before I do that, let me show you guys a website that you can go to actually get your shortened domain name. Okay, so just 1 second here. So what you would do is you would go to Google and then type in .tk. Okay, and then right here you can get free domain, sites. So what I did was I did V-Bucks 23, and then I checked the availability. Right now it won't be available because I already used it, but so let's say I did V-Bucks 27 or something like that. Okay, it'll show you which ones are available. Okay, so you can just go ahead. This one's not available because I used it already, but you type in, you could do, V-Bucks, whatever you want to type in, just click get now. And then it'll have you go to another page where you sign up and just get the free, domain. So I don't want to really confuse you all. So I'll just select it real quick. And then let's see here. It should add to cart. We'll go to checkout. And then from there, it'll have you, be able to forge your domain and all this kind of stuff. You'll put how long you want the domain. So you can, if you want to go up into the years, and you'll have to pay, but if you just want 12 months, you can do it for free. You can forge your domain to whatever landing page you have. Okay. And so that way, whenever they type in this domain, where do you want it to go? Okay. So if you type in, this is mine. I already told you guys how I make my websites, but let me show you the V-Bucks 23.tk. So when they type that in, it goes straight to the page that I created on lead pages. Okay. So this is just kind of, a bootleg version. I just, screenshotted the pictures and all that. Came down here, they click claim now, and then it sends them to my CPA Grip offer, which is this one. Okay. So that's how, I was able to do that. And that's a dope strategy, man, that you guys can use, whenever you're doing it on, a CPA Grip or whatever content locking website. You could just go ahead and as soon as they upload, you can go in there and do your thing, right? And then another cool technique that I see a lot of people doing. So if I go here back to Google and then I go to bold text generator, if you go to Lingo Jam right here, what you can do is certain things, like for instance, right here, when I could have actually bolded this, made this bold to stand out like some of the other people have done. And if I wanted to do that, all I would have to do is, so I would just do V-Bucks 23 dot and then TK, right? And then I could pick out which font or which bold, text that I like, or however I want it to be. But normally I would just go with the bold, solid black. You can copy that, and then you could just paste it, wherever you want to paste it at. Okay. So that's a way that you can bold some of your text or all of it to make it pop and stand out. And it's simple. It's really simple stuff, guys, that you can do on a day-to-day basis to make money. So like this guy did right here, he did the same thing. Okay. And if you type his in, it's another content locker. So whoever this person is, it may be the same person, which I highly believe that it is, just doing a bunch of these comments on these videos and things like that. It's working for him. I'm sure of it because, people, it worked for me. It was a pretty simple thing that I was looking at, and I was like, let me see what this is about. Because I was going through CPA Grip, just checking out the offers and trying to find out how I could promote it in a different way. And this way actually works, but you got to catch it at the right time. So like I said, go subscribe to big channels, and then, do your thing with those. They got a bunch of other things like Starbucks and all type of different offers on there. So those are some of the ways that you guys can do it. But yeah, if you don't know how to create multiple YouTube channels, once you're logged in your channel, all you have to do is go. So just take a look at this URL here. So just remove this once you're logged in your channel, and then type in channel _ and then switcher. Okay, _ switcher. And then click enter, and then it'll have you create another channel under your same channel. You can do that as many times as you want to. And create a lot of different channels to comment on your own stuff, to boost your post up. And then as soon as you do that, then more people will start liking it and all that stuff. So that's a cool way that you can, comment on a bunch of viral videos to make, some extra money. Hopefully I helped you. If you like this video, make sure that you comment on it, like it. Let me know if you need any other help below this video, what other kind of videos you would like to see. If you're tired of CPA videos, let me know. If you're not, then what it is, what it is. If you want to know about credit, if you want to know about affiliate marketing, if you just want to know about Forex, anything like that, let me know, because I'll be making a lot more videos for you guys to help you all make some money, some of that good moolah. All right. If you want to know my #1 recommended way of making money online, it is in the description below my videos, guys, as you already know. So if you don't know, I'm just going to type my name in because I'm not on my actual page. I'm on one of these other pages that I created. But if you don't know, I'll click on this latest video, and you can always find my #1 recommended way right here, and also sometimes in the comment section below, but not on this video because this was about CPA. But I do also have, my landing page builder that I use, my CPA course, CPA software. So check those things out as well. If you want to subscribe to my vlog channel, my family vlog channel looks like this. Let me click on it. Got about 16,000 plus subs. If you want to click on this channel, check that out. Do your thing, man. We just trying to make money all the way around, guys. That's what it's all about. But other than that, if I have helped you, do your thing below the video. Contact me, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.